The Asics Gel-Kayano 32 and the Nike Structure 26 are two of the most popular stability shoes in each range. However, they differ in terms of size, fit and the type of stability they provide. I'll break down these differences so you know which one's best for you. When we look at the Asics Gel-Kayano 32, it's got the FF Blast Plus Eco cushioning, so it's relatively soft and plush underfoot. When you apply pressure to it, you sink into it. It's a real cloud-like feel, but it's got some excellent stability features which we'll touch on in a moment. Whereas in this Nike Structure 26, it's had an overhaul of its cushioning, so it now has React X cushioning throughout the whole midsole rather than the previous Cushlon 3.0 that we saw. So it's a more balanced type of cushioning and more towards the firm side, so when you apply pressure to it, feel resistance relatively quickly. Definitely not as soft as the Kayano 32, and if you appreciate a firmer sole, you'll enjoy the Structure 25. Now the Kayano 32 provides stability through its 4D guidance system, so you can see its 4D guidance tab underneath the arch of the foot that pushes up into the arch of your foot and provides stability. So those who enjoy pressure under there enjoy the Kayano 32, although that arch support isn't as prominent as what we saw in the Kayano 31. And that's partly got to do with the amount of cushioning under the foot and how soft it is. We'll touch on that amount of cushioning in a moment, but the rest of the 4D guidance system is made up of a broad base of support, sole flare, which is where the sole comes out wider than where your foot sits in the shoe. That gives you extra form of stability by increasing the amount of contact that you have with the ground, and these large sidewalls on the inside and the outside of the shoe which come up and cradle your foot to try and provide extra stability. Then in contrast to that, in the Structure 25 we've got the midfoot support system, so that is a true support under the arch of your foot, and again compared to the Structure 25, so the previous model, you don't feel that as prominently in this model. So both the Kayano and the Structure 25 are moving away from having that direct pressure underneath the arch of your foot. And we have some more lateral support on the Structure 26, and that's just around the heel on the outside, and that's really good for those of you who struggle with supination moments when you initiate contact with the ground. It also has a broad base of support and some sole flare in the forefoot to keep you centered. So the cushioning is firmer, and you've got some different stability methods in the Structure 26, and the volume of cushioning and drop on each shoe are different as well. So in the Kayano 32 you've got 40 mils of cushioning in the rear foot, 32 in the forefoot, giving you an 8 mil drop. So that's moved away from the 10 mil drop that we saw in all the other Kayano models, and it will suit more of a broad base of people. So Asics are trying to move more of their shoes towards an 8 mil drop, whereas in the Structure 26 it's stuck with the 10 mil drop that we saw in the Structure 25. So it has 38 mils of cushioning under the rear foot and 28 in the forefoot. So we've 4 mils less cushioning under the forefoot in the Structure 26 compared to the Kayano 32. So that means you've got a little bit less protection in the Structure 26, a little bit less padding. So the more padding is about absorbing vibration, and it adds elements of stability. So you can see much more rigid in the Kayano 32 in the forefoot compared to the Structure 26, which is a bit more flexible. So those of you who need a nice forefoot rocker, plenty of protection underneath the forefoot and plenty of padding with some arch support, you'll enjoy the Kayano 32. If you want some stability with a bit of extra flexibility in the forefoot, you'll enjoy the Structure 26. And then as we move up on top of the shoe, they're different as well. So we've got a new engineered mesh on the Structure 26. It's got a normal width in the forefoot for those of you who have a wide foot. It normally comes in a wide and an extra wide. That's what we saw in the Model 25. At the moment it's not out yet, but I'm sure it's to come, and it's true to size and length. The Kayano 32 is slightly wider than the normal version, and it comes in a wide and extra wide, so loads of options for those of you with broader feet. True to size and length, it's got a very thin tongue compared to the very padded tongue that we see in the Structure 26, and it's a gusseted tongue, whereas we have a semi-gusseted tongue in the Structure 26. We have a lot more padding around the heel cup on the Kayano 32, and we have a nice pull-on tab as well for ease of use. It's a lot stiffer in the heel counter on the Kayano 32, so those of you with sensitivity around the back of the heel, you may not enjoy that, whereas we've got a bit more flexibility around the heel counter on the Structure 26. So overall we've got two excellent shoes. We've got a max stability shoe in the Gel-Kayano 32 with some stability features such as broad base support and some light arch support. It's slightly wider on the forefoot and it's in softer cushioning. We've got a more balanced cushioning that's slightly firmer in the Structure 26 with some arch support, but also some lateral support on the heel as well. If you want to use them as lifestyle shoes for walking around day-to-day use, they're excellent options overall. Just keep in mind the different sizing differences in terms of the width and how they feel smooth underfoot. When it comes to running, the Gel-Kayano I feel has a bit more spring to it, a bit more bounce to it when you're running at faster speeds, so I definitely enjoyed it a little bit more if you're looking for max stability, max cushion shoe to turn over a little bit quicker. Obviously it's excellent for long distance runs, easy runs and recovery runs. The Structure 26 I didn't enjoy as much. It's a little bit too firm underfoot. It has that extra element of stability by having the firm cushioning and that arch support. However, it's not as bouncy, not as soft as what we see in the Kayano 32. So if you like a running shoe that's a bit firmer underfoot, that has elements of stability to it, then you might enjoy the Structure 26, and it comes in at a cheaper price point than the Kayano 32. However, if you've got any questions on them, drop in the comment section below. Got links to both of them in the description if you want to check out the latest prices on Amazon. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful, like and share and subscribing does make a massive difference, and thank you very much for watching.